Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. 1/2 drive torque wrench and impact socket set 24 pieces from ETOOLAB hand tool series. 20 to 230 Newton meter and 15 to 169.9 IBF. The model TW230N Max. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Nice durable case, I like that. We have the manual. Wow! Look at this! It is huge! Wow! So let's see one by one what we have in the box. 17 drive impact sockets from 8mm to 24mm. Wow! Chrome vanadium, ETOOLAB, 1/2 are these sockets, and another 2 3/8 drive impact sockets. Six and 7mm. Extension bar, 25 cm the length. One-half drive universal joint. Use it in narrow areas. Another socket adapter from 1/4 to 1/2. You can use it to connect a cordless drill driver. And another adapter from 1/2 to 3/8. And of course the torque wrench. I like the color, quite heavy, it feels very durable. The ETOOLAB torque wrench 1/2 inch uses military grade steel as the base material and professional surface rust protection, which ensures user comfort, improves the strength and provides longer service life. Here at the back we have a QR code. You can scan the QR code with your smartphone to determine the tightening torque of the bolt. That's very helpful. Here we have the left and right rotation, the release button, '72 ratchet teeths. I like the sound. Press to unlock, and it locks here. Press, unlock. We can see here the hole, alignment, and it locks. And of course you can use the extension. TW230N Max 20 to 230 Newton meter. And here we can see the scale, clear scale, you can see all the numbers. From 20 to 230 Newton meter. Or we have from 15 to 169.9 IBF. That is the main torque scale. And here at the green color we have the micrometer scale. The micrometer scale, it is from 0 to 9 Newton meter. or for IBF from 0.7 to 6.6 IBF, and with a torque locking collar, just pull and you can adjust. Now let's say an example, I need 90.5 Newton meter. Rotate, pull the collar of course, $90.5, okay, there it is, and it locks. Pull, rotate, and it locks. Nice. It is very accurate and so easy to adjust all the scale. And again, you can make new adjustments. When the torque wrench reaches a preset torque value, you will feel a distinct sensation in your hand and hear a loud click. It is very strong. Right now it is 20 Newton meter. So, okay. I like the sound. It is very loud. You can use the 1/2 to 3/8 adapter and connect the 3/8 sockets. Or for the narrow areas, and use one of these sockets, 1/2. Or you can use with the extension. So easy. You have so many combinations, it depends the job you want to do. So let's move on and test this torque wrench and see how it's performing. Is a comprehensive toolkit designed for precision torque applications across various mechanical and automotive tasks. No more guessing, just set your torque, click and go. Plus the included case keeps everything organized. Laser engraved scale maintains accuracy over time with clear markings. Handles everything from delicate bike parts to automotive lug nuts and spark plugs with tactile feedback when reaching torque. Perfect for automotive technicians working on engines, suspensions, motorcycle owners doing maintenance, advanced cyclists working with carbon components, home mechanics who wants professional grade tools. Pro tip, remember to unwind the spring after use to maintain calibration. Whether you are building, repairing or maintaining, this set delivers German-engineered precision at an accessible price point. And that wraps up our look at the ETOOLAB torque wrench and socket set. Whether you are a home mechanic or a pro, this kit's adjustable torque up to 230 Nm and durable sockets make it a beast for cars, bikes, motorcycles or even DIY projects. A powerful and precise toolset for anyone who needs accuracy and durability in their mechanical work. ETOOLAB offers a range of torque wrench sets that may align with your requirements. Check the link in description for current pricing. support the channel at no extra cost to you. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest tool reviews and tutorials. Have you tried this wrench set? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your experience. Thanks for watching, keep those torque values right, and I'll see you in the next one.